You may have used Google Forms with your classes in Canvas by inserting the Forms link into an assignment or onto a regular Canvas page. But did you know that you could actually embed the form directly in your course without having to take students outside of your course via the hyperlink? It's really quick and easy using the Embed tool in your rich content editor. So here's how that works. If I go to my Edit Pencil button so that I can work within my rich content editor, here at the top, instead of including a link or directions, I'm going to go to this cloud icon here that allows me to embed code. I don't have to go into the HTML viewer. I don't have to know anything about code. I just have to go and fetch the code with a simple copy and paste. So if I switch over to the Google form that I want to use, up at the top where I would send, and typically I could copy and paste this link, right next to it are these two little greater than, less than symbols right next to each other that represent HTML code. And so instead of copying a link, I'm instead going to copy and paste this set of code, go back to my Canvas assignment, and using this cool cloud tool, I'm going to paste and click Submit. If I scroll down to click Save, now my Google form is embedded right here, so students can click Next and begin to submit the form without ever having to leave Canvas.